Meaning of decibel.
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 Decibel. A decibel, abbreviated as dB, is a unit used to measure the intensity of sound or the power of an electrical signal relative to a reference level. It is a logarithmic scale that compares the ratio of two values, such as the intensity of a sound wave and the threshold of hearing. The larger the difference between the measured value and the reference level, the higher the decibel rating. Decibels are commonly used in the fields of acoustics, electronics, and telecommunications to describe and quantify a wide range of phenomena related to sound and signal processing.